Certainty feels like wisdom. It sounds like confidence. It looks like clarity. But certainty isn't understanding. It's relief. Relief from doubt. Relief from ambiguity. Relief from the anxiety of not knowing. Human beings are not addicted to truth. They're addicted to the feeling that comes from believing they already have it. And that feeling behaves exactly like an addiction. The brain hates uncertainty. Uncertainty triggers stress responses. Heightened vigilance, discomfort, cognitive load. Certainty shuts those systems down. When you feel certain, your brain rewards you. Anxiety drops. Decision fatigue disappears. Identity feels stable. Certainty simplifies the world into clean categories. Right and wrong, us and them, safe and dangerous. This isn't wisdom, it's neurological relief. And just like any relief-based reward, the brain wants to repeat it. Addictions share common traits. They reduce discomfort, they reward repetition, they punish abstinence. Certainty does all three. The first time you know, it feels empowering. The second time, it feels reassuring. The third time, it feels necessary. Soon, doubt becomes threatening. Not because doubt is dangerous, but because it interrupts the chemical calm certainty provides. This is why people don't just disagree with challenges to their beliefs. They react emotionally. Certainty isn't being questioned. A coping mechanism is. Once certainty takes hold, curiosity declines. Why explore alternatives if you already know? Why revise beliefs if revision feels like loss? Why tolerate ambiguity when answers feel safer? This is where certainty stops behaving like wisdom and starts behaving like dependency. Evidence is no longer evaluated, it's filtered. Questions are no longer invitations, they're threats. The mind shifts from seeking truth to defending identity. And at that point, intelligence no longer matters. Highly intelligent people with high certainty are often more dangerous than ignorant ones. They're better at rationalizing. Certainty doesn't just addict individuals, it stabilizes systems. Institutions love certainty. It makes populations predictable. It reduces dissent. It simplifies governance. When certainty becomes socially rewarded, doubt becomes deviant. Questions become disloyal. Nuance becomes weakness. Revision becomes betrayal. This is why authoritarian systems don't begin with force. They begin with answers. Answers you're not supposed to revisit. Wisdom tolerates uncertainty. Diction eliminates it. Certainty feels like strength, but it erodes adaptability. It feels like knowledge, but it resists learning. The more certainty you consume, the less reality you can tolerate, because reality is complex, and addiction prefers simple truths. Certainty doesn't make you wise. It makes you comfortable. Join us.